Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to give comments and suggestions on what we want to learn, and I will tackle each and every one of them and respond to them. If I have already put the video up, I will give you the link, and if not, I will put the video just for you. Some of the videos that I've already put up are letters, numbers, clothes, Kenyan counties, tribes, continents of the world, and many stories and signs for different songs. You can also check them out and suggest if you want more or you are satisfied with the one that I've put up. Watch my videos, like them, and I will appreciate if you leave a comment. Please subscribe subscribe to my channel. There is a small box here and a subscribe button below this video. Please subscribe, don't leave without subscribing. Subscribe and watch more videos on your screen too.